How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me.
Does your family live in a house or an apartment?
We live in a house in the countryside.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
How old is your father?
He is 62 years old.
Do you have any siblings? What's her name?
Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, Sammy, and one younger sister, Kate.
Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters?
No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family.
What does your mother, father like?
My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking.
Do you stay with your parents?
Right now, no, but I used to.
Does your family usually have dinner together?
Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us.